First one was chilling, second one was freezing method, third was sugaring. कुछ फ्रूट्स के हम वेजिटेबल्स या फ्रूट्स के हम मुरब्बा डालते हैं, जिसे हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं मार्मलेड. आंवले का मुरब्बा होता है बच्चे, एंड मेनी अदर फ्रूट्स, एप्पल का भी होता है, एंड आंवला मुरब्बा भी होता है. सो देयर in that we put lot of sugar in that. It's like a jam is also like a, in jam also we use sugar, and marmalades also we use sugar. Salting and plus vinegar. Salting and vinegar we use when we are preparing pickles, achar. Fifth part is the canning. कैंड फूड बहुत होते हैं आजकल, आपको मालूम है, बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. वैक्यूम पैक्ड भी बहुत सारे फूड प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं जिनको वैक्यूम को पैक करके उनको बंद कर दिया जाता है, जिससे कि उनके अंदर मॉइस्चर नहीं जा सकता है, एंड दे आर प्रिजर्व्ड फॉर लॉन्गर पीरियड. नाउ हियर वी कंप्लीट विद द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. नाउ कम टू दिस एक्सरसाइज. Now write the methods of preserving the following food items. Now it is fish. Fish can be preserved by drying. In some places the fishes are dried also. You can find out in the lesson. You have read the lesson now, so you'll come to know about that. Fruits can be boiled as well as boiled and canned, and they can be dried also. They can be boiled as well as dried. Boiled and dried, both methods can be used here. Raisins are also dried. Milk and soup can also be dried for preserving. Pickles में हम salt और vinegar डालते हैं to make them stay longer. Now find the antonyms. Antonyms are बच्चे the opposites. Antonyms are opposites. You have to find from the text only. आपको इसी लेसन में से ढूंढने हैं. Huge. I could not find. You go through the lesson and find out the word for that antonym, opposite word for this huge. Otherwise huge का कुछ भी हो सकता है, tiny भी हो सकता है, small भी हो सकता है. But I could not find from the lesson, so all of you go through the lesson and tell me which word will come here. It is not stale, it is stale. Stale means बासी. So उसका तो आपको मिल जाएगा fresh. I have found out. Stale means बासी and उसका opposite हुआ fresh. Weak, strong, duplicate, original. ये आपके लेसन में से ही है, मिले मुझे. आपको टेक्स्ट में से ही ढूंढने हैं. Cold, इसमें देखिए आपको क्या मिल रहा है, इसका ऑपोजिट. I could not get it. Nearby, far away, wet, dry. Lately means recently होता है बच्चे. And here the first word, until quite recently. Until quite recently means ये हो सकता है इसका ऑपोजिट हो, बट इफ यू फाइंड सम अदर वर्ड बेटर देन दिस, सो यू प्लीज टेल मी. अदरवाइज रिसेंटली का तो एज सच अगर हम जनरली ढूंढें तो रिसेंटली मीन्स, लेटली मीन्स रिसेंटली, सो वी कैन easily find the opposite for that, but they are saying that we have to find from the text only. So you please go through and find out these three words: huge, cold and lately. Rewrite the following sentences in the form of do's and don'ts. One is done for you. We should keep our fridge neat and clean. We should keep our fridge neat and clean. So how they have written this sentence? In the do's, keep your fridge neat and clean. This is your do. Means you have to do this thing. So what they have done, they have omitted this thing. We should. It is not good to open the door of your fridge frequently. The second one they have also done. Don't open the door of your fridge frequently. It is not wise to open the door of fridge fully. Either you can write don't open the door of the fridge fully, or you can not wise, you just add here don't. Write it like starting with the don't. Don't open the door of the fridge frequently. Next one is we must switch off the power supply of the fridge before we start cleaning it. So switch off the power supply of the fridge before we start cleaning it. We should not let the ice pile up in the freezer. Don't let the ice pile up in the freezer. It is not good to use a deodorant to get rid of the bad smell from the fridge. Don't use a deodorant to get rid of bad smell from the fridge. So here we have done this exercise. We have finished this one also. So these are do's and don'ts we should follow while we are cleaning our fridge. So I hope the writing is clear to you. Is it legible? I hope so that it is legible. So now we will move to page number 50. We have completed page number 59 and we are moving to page number 60. Now use the following words. The question is that what tense is used in these sentences? We use the simple present tense. We use the simple present tense. Bacteria and molds grow on food when it is warm or moist. Food goes bad because tiny organism called bacteria molds grow on it. So in this the simple present tense is used. In this simple present tense is used to talk about the things. What things happen and they are happening in odd means regular on the regular basis. So these things are talked in simple present tense. So here they have given some lines. They have given some sentences. We have to. They have given the clues also. We have to use the simple present tense verb form. So it is not important whether the action is taking place at the time of speaking or not. So now plants dash their food in presence of sunlight. What they do, they make, so this will come in this form only. Plants make their food. The earth moves around the sun. S लग जाएगा बच्चे यहाँ पे. Sorry. Water freezes at 0 degree centigrade. यहाँ freeze लिखा है. You will just add S to it. Water evaporates the ocean when sun rays fall on it. Water evaporates at the ocean. जब sun ऊपर से इतनी तेजी से sunlight गिर रही है पानी पर, तो जो पानी है वो evaporate होके ऊपर चला जाता है. आपको पता है ये बहुत बेसिक सा टॉपिक है, evaporation and condensation. Water boils at 100 degree centigrade. So these are the simple present tense forms. You can write down. Now we move to the word part. Look at the italic words in the following sentences. Make use of dictionary and find out the difference in the meaning. Until quite recently, most food could not be kept for very long. Until quite recently means अभी बहुत ज़्यादा time नहीं हुआ है. Most food could not be kept for very long. Here, the meaning of long is different. Astronauts cannot long for fresh food in space. Here, the meaning of long is different. Here, it refers to the duration, to the period. Means पहले ऐसा होता था कि we could not preserve the food for very long duration or very long period. Here it means this in this line. But in this line, astronauts cannot long for fresh food in space. Means here means they can't crave or they can't desire. वो वहाँ पे स्पेस में जो एस्ट्रोनॉट्स हैं वो फ्रेश फूड के लिए ना तो क्रेविंग रख सकते हैं ना ही कोई डिजायर रख सकते हैं. मीन्स दीज आर द synonyms. Synonyms are the words that are similar in the meaning or nearest in the meaning. So it is one and the same thing, almost same. Here long means desire or craving. Is it clear? Am I clear to you? Bacteria and molds are tiny plants. Here the plants is the living organisms like shrubs and herbs. ठीक है, simple plants होते हैं हमारे जैसे. India has 5 big steel plants. Now this is a different meaning. Steel plants, where steel is made. Where steel is made. Fish and meat can be preserved in a can. Fish and meat can be preserved in a can. Can be and you can preserve fish and meat by drying them. There is a bit, थोड़ा सा difference है. Here can be means the whatever the person is saying or doing, it is understandable and he will not be blamed for doing that. Means he is permitted. You can preserve. Means fish and meat can be preserved in a can means you can do that. You have permission for that. Permitted to do something. You can preserve fish and meat by drying them. Means you can, here you have the ability. You can preserve. They are almost the same. There is a bit of difference between them. A bit. बहुत छोटा सा difference है. Fish and meat can be preserved in a can and you can preserve fish and meat by drying them. So there is a very less difference between both the meanings. Bacteria and molds cannot live in salt. Here live means to grow, to survive. Live in salt. You can see a live. We cannot pronounce it live program. No, it is pronounced as live program. Live. Live and live program means live broadcast हो रहा है उसका या live transmission हो रहा है उसका program का. This is live and this is live. Both the words have different pronunciation and a different meaning. We can eat food on the top of mountain. Here the top of the mountain means the highest point. यहाँ पर. Fine. But the earth spins on its axis like a top means it is just like a toy top. आपने देखा होगा बच्चे खेलते हैं इससे toy top जो ऐसे गोल गोल घूमता रहता है अपनी इस पे टिप पे. Here it is the earth spins on its axis like a top. आपको मालूम है अर्थ कैसे स्पिन करती है अपनी एक्सिस पे, वो एक टॉप की तरह ही घूमती है. So the both the tops have here the different meaning, but the pronunciation is same. Here top means highest point. Here top means spinning top. Now we have to change the adjectives into the adverbs. Badly, bad, badly, sweet, sweetly, rough, roughly, bitter, bitterly, clear, clearly, brave, bravely, usual, usually, general, generally. Now we come to the next part. C. Insert for or since where appropriate. Insert for or since where appropriate. Now for is used where there is not a definite time or period is given. You have just an idea, not the exact. You don't know about the exact timing or the duration. Since is when you have exact knowledge of the time or the time period or the duration. वहाँ पर since use होता है. I haven't had a good meal ages. यहाँ ages means कितने भी साल हो सकते हैं. 1 साल भी हो सकता है, 2 साल भी हो सकता है, 6 साल भी हो सकता है, 10. तो means you are not immediate. I haven't had a good meal यहाँ आएगा फॉर एजेस। क्लियर? I have been waiting for Tatya 6 p.m. I wonder if he has lost his way. I have been waiting for Tatya. अब 6 p.m. आपको एग्जैक्टली पता आप कितने बजे से उसकी वेट कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना? तो यहाँ पे आएगा since, ठीक है, यहाँ आएगा। I don't know whether you do all these exercises in your notebooks, and if you do, so you can do it. I don't know much about that. And if you have to solve this in the books only, so you just write the complete sentence or you just add since here. But it should be clear. You should understand it what you have written. I haven't seen Ranveer. We left school. आपने कब से नहीं देखा? जब से आपने स्कूल छोड़ा है। तो यू हैव एन आइडिया कि आपने जब स्कूल छोड़ा था, तो आपको इतना तो आइडिया है ना। सो आई हैवंट सीन रणवीर सिंस वी लेफ्ट स्कूल। हियर इट इज क्लियर दैट यू हैव नॉट सीन रणवीर जब से आपने स्कूल छोड़ा है, तो टाइम पीरियड आपको मालूम है। The astronauts have already been in orbit for 2 days. Astronauts have already been in orbit since 2 days. 2 days exactly पता है ना आपको, टाइम दिया उनने। For 2 days भी यहाँ आ सकता है, have already been in orbit for 2 days। नहीं, यहाँ since आएगा। I have had this toothache 1 week now. Now 1 week. I have had this toothache for 1 week now. अब 1 week उनकी कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुई थी ये आपको नहीं आइडिया, इसलिए यहाँ थोड़ा सा क्लियर नहीं है टाइम। सो I have had this toothache for 1 week.